Artificial intelligence is quickly becoming a game changer in the workplace, helping to boost productivity and streamline decision-making. No matter what industry you're in, AI can help you work smarter, not harder. In this video, we'll walk you through 3 simple but effective ways to start using AI in your day-to-day tasks. If used right, AI can help you save time, reduce mistakes, and keep you ahead of the competition. Find tasks that can be automated. One of the biggest benefits of AI is its ability to handle repetitive tasks, giving you more time to focus on the bigger picture. Start by looking for routine work, like entering data, responding to emails, or scheduling meetings, that can be automated with AI tools. By using AI for these tasks, you'll not only get them done faster, but also reduce the chance of human error. Review your workflow regularly to spot other tasks that could be automated, so you can keep improving efficiency. Use AI to boost creativity and innovation. AI isn't just about automation and efficiency. It can also be a powerful tool for creativity. It can help you think outside the box. Tools like AI-powered design platforms, content generators, or even data-driven insights can spark inspiration and offer fresh perspectives. By using AI to support creative tasks, you can innovate faster and come up with solutions you might not have considered before. Pick the right AI tools for your needs. With so many AI tools available, it's important to choose the ones that best fit your industry and business needs. Every field has AI applications designed specifically for it. Do your homework and invest in AI tools that are proven to work well in your industry. And remember, AI technology is always evolving, so keep an eye out for new tools and updates that can help you stay competitive. Integrating AI into your work doesn't have to be complicated. By automating repetitive tasks, boosting creativity, and picking the right tools for your needs, you can work more efficiently and strategically. Don't wait. Start exploring how AI can benefit your work today. And if you need help figuring out where to begin or which tools to use, give our team a call. We're here to help.